Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write 10 lines on science and technology. Number 1. Science and technology have made our lives easier and faster. Number 2. Science helps us understand the world around us. Number 3. Technology gives us tools to solve everyday problems. Number 4. Mobile phones, computers, and the internet are examples of technology. Number 5. Science has helped in the discovery of medicines and vaccines. Number 6. With technology, we can talk to people anywhere in the world. Number 7. Science is used in farming, space, weather, and health. Number 8. Technology is used in education, hospitals, and industries. Number 9. Scientists and engineers work to improve technology. Number 10. Science and technology are important for the future of our world. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.